installing a Lenovo Compute Complex Neptune Core module. Remove the top cover. Remove the fan cage. Unfasten the two screws on the system board assembly. Align the screw holes on the hose holder with the system board assembly, and then install the hose holder on the system board assembly. Make sure the guiding pin of the holder is installed on the chassis. Fasten the two screws to secure the holder to the system board assembly. Note: if you are installing a new Compute Complex Neptune Core module on the current processor, gently clean the top of the processor with an alcohol cleaning pad. Remove the protection covers from the cold plate. Align the triangular mark on the cold plate assembly label with the triangular mark on the processor carrier and processor. Press the carrier into place until the clips at all four corners are engaged. Note: if you are installing a new module, peel the release papers off the thermal pads. Rotate the anti-tilt wire bales inward before installing the Compute Complex Neptune Core module. Align the two location holes on the cold plate assembly with the system board, and then install the Compute Complex Neptune Core module onto the system board assembly. Rotate the anti-tilt wire bales outward to hook them onto the processor socket. Unfasten the screws that secure the shipping tray, and then remove the shipping tray from the module. Use a T30 torque screwdriver to fasten the 8 screws on the Compute Complex Neptune Core module in the installation sequence shown on the cold plate assembly. Note: The torque required to fully fasten the screws is 0.9 to 1.3 Newton meters, 8 to 12-inch ponds. Fasten the 6 screws on the Compute Complex Neptune core module to secure it to the system board assembly. Make sure that there is no gap between the screw shoulder beneath the Compute Complex Neptune core module and the processor socket. Connect the leakage detection sensor module cable to the system board assembly. Install the leakage detection sensor module into the holder. Install the outlet and inlet hoses into the holder. Make sure the status LED side is facing up and route the cable properly. Install the riser cage into the chassis and fasten the screw to secure it. Install the memory modules and memory module brackets. Fasten the screws to secure the memory module brackets. Install the riser cage if necessary. Install the fan cage. Install the top cover.